So, Evo update number 2. The wrap is going well. I did the hood today like I said I was going to, and I'm actually very happy with how it turned out this time. Now, you can still kind of see the parts where I sanded a little bit, but they don't stand out like they did before, so I'm happy with that. Hood scoop had to be done in multiple pieces. Looks okay, but to be honest, I hadn't planned to keep this hood scoop. In fact, I think I'm going carbon fiber, so I wasn't too concerned with how it came out, but for now it looks good, matches the rest of the hood. As you can see, I took off the bumper and the fender liners and the wheels because next on the agenda is the fenders, so I will be doing that next. I'm not sure exactly when, probably next weekend sometime if I have some time, but very happy with how the hood came out. So I've got the hood and the roof covered how I like. The trunk has some vinyl on it, but I'm probably going to redo it at the end. So let's see how the fenders come up. Stay tuned. Bye.